This right here is the Betopper lm0740. It is a compact BI style lighting fixture which has RGBW LEDs inside of all 7 of these eyes. It is a compact, small yet powerful lighting fixture which offers great patterns and a very unique look. On the front you get your product, whilst also the model number, and here you get your product information. So thank you very much Betopper for sponsoring me in this video and sending me one of these amazing fixtures. So let's get into the unboxing. On the top here, you get your Betopper warranty card, you get your power con cable, mounting bracket with quick lock, and you also get a very nice DMX cable, looks like about 1 meter. And right here, you get the product itself. And here is the product itself. On the front of the unit, you can see the 740 watt LED diodes. On the back, it's cooling fan. On the front, you get your LCD display with your 4-button navigating menu. On the sides, you get your very nice rugged handles. And on the back of the unit, you get your quick mount locking mechanism and also your 4 rubber feet. Whilst also on the side here, safety hook. Coming over to the back, you can find power con in and out for daisy chaining power, your on-off switch, and on the other side of the back you get your 3-pin DMX in and out. This product has RGBW diodes with a rated power of 350 watts. For the specifics, you're looking at 2800 kelvins all the way up to 8500 kelvins to get those nice cool and warm whites. The rated lifetime is 50,000 hours, and you get a zooming range of 4.5 degrees all the way up to 45 degrees to get those nice soft washes. For DMX channels, you're looking at 12 channels or 18 channels. For the pan and tilt, you get 540 degrees pan, 270 degrees tilt, so you get a nice wide range of motion. And it's only weighing at 6.1 kilograms. Going through the menu, you can change the DMX address, run mode, pan inversion, tilt inversion, and also sensitivity for sound active. For the manual, you can manually control the fixture, and you can also reset it, invert the display. So let's see what it can do in sound switch. You can take control of the color from a nice warm and also cool white. You can get macro control for full color and also zoom control to get those nice tight beam. You can also take control of the zoom. You get your effects like color fading and also pulsing effects, and you can also take control over the effect speed. Another very nice feature about this light is the XY auto repositioning. So if you accidentally nudge the fixture, it will automatically reposition itself to its original position. So let's see what it can do in some smoke.
Jump in.
Thank you so much Betopper for sponsoring me and sending this amazing product for review. I will leave all links down in the description down below if you would like to check this fixture out. And have a great day.